Grand Seiko has always had a way of turning time into art, a precision of movement matched by the poetry of nature. And now, two new expressions join that legacy. Meet the Grand Seiko Elegance GMT SBGM255 Snowdrop and SBGM257 Moondrop, two watches inspired by light, shadow, and the rhythm of Japanese seasons. These models build on one of Grand Seiko's most beloved designs, the SBGM221, released in 2010, often considered the perfect expression of the brand's elegance. The new Snowdrop and Moondrop preserve that same graceful case shape, measuring 39.5 millimeters, fully Zaratsu polished, with rounded flanks and a soft, vintage-inspired dome sapphire crystal. They hug the wrist beautifully, just 46.9 millimeters lug to lug, though still a modest 14 millimeters thick, the only small compromise in an otherwise balanced design. Where these two watches truly shine is on their dials, the SBGM255. Snowdrop captures winter, pure, crisp, and calm. Its dial is white, textured with a spiraling geometric pattern reminiscent of snow drifting under moonlight. Blue accents, from the tempered GMT hand to the 24-hour scale, evoke that quiet, cold elegance of a Japanese winter morning. The SBGM257 Moondrop moves to a different rhythm. Deep navy tones meet gold highlights, inspired by the glow of moonlight on a clear autumn night. The brushed hands and applied indices bring subtle contrast against the dial's dark depth, a quiet balance of warmth and shadow. Inside both models beats the Caliber 9 S66, Grand Seiko's in-house automatic GMT movement. A true traveler's GMT, it allows you to adjust the local hour hand independently without stopping the seconds. It runs at 4 Hz, offers a 72-hour power reserve, and is finished with Grand Seiko's characteristic precision, rated between +5 and -3 seconds per day. Priced at €5,200, both the Snowdrop and Moondrop join Grand Seiko's Elegance collection this December. They may not reinvent the form, but they refine it, a celebration of balance, craftsmanship, and timeless Japanese beauty. The Grand Seiko GMT Snowdrop and Moondrop, two faces of time, one serene, one luminous. Which one speaks to you?